Well, we noticed right away we have a family room that was an add-on that has a cinder block garage that's next to the crawl space. And we had opened up the vent between the two, which is what caused the mold issue in the crawl space. And so Crawl Space Ninja came and there were open cinder blocks all around the foundation, and they covered those really well for us. And just from doing that in that little garage, it took care of all the musty smell. Our family room smells yummy now. It doesn't stink like it did of that musty clay, wet clay. And so we noticed that right away.
Yeah, and even in the big crawl space where they had the encapsulation done, you could tell a temperature difference right away. It was kind of regulated. Didn't feel kind of that musty smell or even feel to it. It just, yeah, almost right away. Almost immediately it just felt different down there and smelled different down there.